How to find my WhatsApp number on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your WhatsApp application, and it will actually lead you to your chat section, right? Where you will see all your conversation and all your chats. So on the bottom part, you will see five different options. You will see status, calls, communities, chats, and settings. Now, what I want you to do next is to tap on settings or the gear icon there. Tap on that, and then here it will look like this. You will be led here to your settings section where you can see your avatar, stored messages, linked devices, so on and so forth. Now, the next thing that I want you to do is if you'll try to tap on your account, you won't be able to see or find your WhatsApp number, right? Now, here, all you have to do is to tap on the first section there where you can see avatar. It's actually under your name here. You see Bobwatch here. Hello, I'm using WhatsApp, so on and so forth. Above the avatar option, you will see the name there, Bobwatch, or your name. You just have to tap on that and it will lead you here to your name, your phone number, and about you information. Now, since you want to find your WhatsApp number on iPhone, basically you can see here your phone number. And that's it. That is how you find your WhatsApp number on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.